I am Habibur Rahman, lecturer of BITP. Today date is 13/5/2020. Okay. Today I will be discuss ratio in a transformer. Ratio in a transformer. Before lecturer, we have already discussed the EMF equation of a transformer. Before lecturer, we have get the EMF equation primary side and secondary side. That's EMF equation in primary side. E1 is equal to 4.44 phi m f into N1. That means this is the constant value, the maximum flux frequency, and this is the number of turns of the primary side. Secondary side EMF equation is like a similar 4.4 m f into N2. Okay, then the ratio in an EMF equation, the ratio of this up to the ratio of this equation, and we can get E2 by E1 is equal to 4.44 phi m f into N2 by 4.44 phi m f into N1. That's value are same, that's are cut out, and then we get N2 by N1. That's mean secondary number of turns by primary. N1 means primary number of turns. Okay, if we neglect the primary and secondary side resistance and leakage resistance, then we can write, if we neglect resistance and leakage reactance, in both side, primary and secondary, in both side, then we can get R1 approximately equal to R1 approximately R2 approximately 0, and reactance X1 approximately X2 equal to 0. From this equation we can get E1 EMF induced in primary side is equal approximately supply voltage V1, and secondary side EMF induced approximately output V2. From this equation we can get the transformer ratio E2 by E1 is equal to, from this, V2 by V1. Then from this EMF equation ratio, from this ratio E2 by E1 is equal to N2 by N1. Then we can write that's E2 by E1 is equal to V2 by V1 is equal to nothing but N2 by nothing but K. That's K is equal to turns ratio. This ratio also be called as voltage ratio. Okay, transformer voltage ratio. This transformer rating, the transformer rating is in VA. Transformer rating is in VA. That's mean voltage ampere. Okay, the primary side VA is equal to secondary side VA. That's mean voltage ampere. We can write V1 into I1 is equal to V2 into I2. Then you can write V2 by V1 is equal to I1 by I2. Then we write V2 by V1 is equal to K is equal to, from this equation, okay, N2 by N, because we know V2 by V1 is equal to I1 by I2, V2 by V1 is equal to I1 or V2 by V1 is equal to E2 by N is equal to N2 by N1. We can write V2 by Vn is equal to turns ratio K is equal to N2 by N1. Okay, on this equation, so I can get I2 by I1 by I2 is equal to N2 by N1 is equal to K. This ratio also be called as current ratio. Okay, from this equation called as voltage ratio, this ratio is called as current ratio. Both equations are combined and we can get E2 by E1 is equal to V2 by V1 is equal to I1 by I2 or nothing but N2 by N1 is equal to K. This is the all ratio of the transformer. This equation is very important for the transformer. We have any types of voltage, current, number of windings are calculated from this equation of the transformer. This is the all ratio of the transformer. Okay, this is the very important of the ratio of a single phase transformer. Based on turns ratio, this is the turns ratio. Okay, based on turns ratio, transformer are divided or classified. Then I will get which types of transformer depend on turns ratio. I will discuss based on turns ratio. Turns ratio means K. Okay, this is the base of turns ratio K. Number A, K greater than when K greater than 1. When K greater than 1, then we get N2 by N1 greater than 1. Then we can write N2 greater than N1. Okay, that means EMF E2 greater than N1. That means primary side EMF is greater than secondary side secondary side EMF is greater than primary side E2 greater than N1. This transformer is called as step up, because the secondary side is rising, the voltage is rising from primary to secondary. Okay, step up transformer. Okay, because voltage is raised from primary to secondary, because the secondary side is rising, so this transformer is called step up transformer. Okay, and second B, K or transformer ratio K less than 1, then we can get N2 by N1 less than 1. Okay, then we get N2 by N1 less than 1. We can write N2 less than N1, and EMF equation, you can write EMF equation E2 less than E1. That's mean the secondary side EMF is less than the E1. That means the voltage is downwards from primary to secondary. Okay, that means this is the step down transformer. Okay, because voltage is down from primary to secondary. Primary side is voltage is more than the secondary, so this transformer is called step down transformer. Then K is equal to 1, and you can get N2 by N1 is equal to 1. We can write N2 is equal to N1. That's mean E2 is equal to E1. This transformer is also called 1:1 transformer. This transformer is called 1:1 transformer because E2 and E1 are same. Okay, this transformer also 1:1 transformer or isolation transformer. This transformer primary side and secondary side induced are same, so this transformer is also called as isolation transformer. But this where is used this step up, step down and step type. Based on trans ratio we have get the three types transformer are classified. Number one is step up transformer. This transformer used for mainly power generation to transmission system. And this second type transformer is step up transformer. This transformer is used after transmission. This transformer mainly used is distribution system after transmission. Okay, and then this type of transformer is also called as isolation transformer. These transformer are mainly used for protection device, where the power are same rating but the where power input and output are same rating but the system is for the system is protection purpose is for system protection purpose is used protection and purpose is used these types of transformer. Okay, this is the transformer ratio in a transformer, and we have already discussed based on transformer ratio types of this uh, transformer. Okay, thank you.